Hey friends, in this video I'd like to show you how I make my carrot beet juice. If it is your first time here, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you have seen my videos before, I'd like to say welcome back to my channel. Now this recipe is so helpful if you're on a weight loss journey like me, or if you just want to feel good in general. So you'll need 5 carrots, and you need carrots because carrots may help lower cholesterol, they may boost weight loss, and also they support eye and skin health. The second ingredient that you need for this recipe is 1 beet. Beets may help lower blood pressure, they give stamina, they may they may help fight inflammation, they may improve digestive health, and they may support brain health. So these are some benefits of including beets in this recipe. You'll also need 1.5 to 2 ounces of ginger. Ginger may help decrease blood pressure. It helps with weight loss, and it may help decrease cholesterol levels. The fourth thing that you need for this recipe is 1 to 1.5 ounces of turmeric. Turmeric is so powerful, so good for you. Turmeric may support brain health. It may help fight inflammation, depression, cholesterol, and it may support skin health. The last thing is half of a lemon, or about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, lemon may help fight inflammation. It may boost immunity, boost skin health, and it may help with weight loss. So all these ingredients for this juice, they are so good for you. I start after I wash everything, of course, I cut up all the ingredients for the juice, and then it was time to put them in my juicer. And this is what I do here. If you use blender, keep in mind that you need water, and then you'll strain the juice. After I put everything in the juicer, I give it a little mix, and then I added the lemon, the 1 teaspoon of lemon. I stir the juice one more time, and it was ready. Now, friends, you have this powerful but delicious juice. And it doesn't take much time to prepare this juice. Just with a few ingredients, it was ready. I drank the whole thing that morning. That's how good it was. To your health, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.